Hi, I'm Cameron Lima, and this is our Levitator project. These are our other members that are still here with us.
I'm Eric.
Brett.
The other two had to study for Thermo 2 tests. So this is our current setup. This is taking place after our experiments where we actually got stuff to levitate. We burnt our previous sensor, which was an A1324 LUAT, and we burnt the last one where things actually got to levitate. So someone was kind enough to lend them their own sensor, which was a Honeywell SS49E, and we haven't had any luck with that one so far, but it's just a work in progress right now. So our current setup is, here's our electromagnet. We got a little cocky with the height of our stand.
and width.
And width. Here's the diode to prevent the sparking discharge. We're just using an N4007 as was recommended by Heidegger. Here's our Arduino. We have an extra board here that was kind of unnecessary just because I thought we needed more space. But we're using a MOSFET here, which is an RFP 30N06LE, and it's an Arduino-friendly MOSFET that accepts a 5-volt for the gate. So that's why we chose to use that one. And then from there, it's a pretty simple circuit. We just have a little 1K resistor that goes into the gate of the MOSFET from the Arduino's PWM output over here. And on this corner, we have where our sensor plugs into, and then it goes off to each of the analog digital pins. So for our design, we were inspired for the Arduino side of things by a bunch of projects that we found online. We decided to go the PID controller route because it was the setup was similar to the one we were already going for with our sensors and magnets, and we based it off of their code, and then we had to change the values for the sensors we used and to find the sweet spot. And that's the general idea of how we were connecting things, and that's how it translates over here. If you're wondering about this thing over here, it's because we use this power supply, which is capable of outputting 19 volts and over 2 amps. So things were getting pretty hot, so that's why I had to invest in a heat sink.
I could do an artificial offset, which basically, you don't have coding. We can try. That's good.
I'm sure you don't have anything else to say when you're there.
I don't know. 0 equals x plus.
Okay, Timur, do you want me to? I'm gonna tape these down. Yeah, well, for now, and we have to turn them all over again.
It didn't work.
Oh.
They've tweaked it a little bit. It's working. I'll send you the.
Oh my god.
No.
I'm touching my face magnet chip. Oh my god.
Oh,
That's it. See, I think it's like the key is the start. If you can start it smooth. See if it. Stop bouncing. It's still trying. Stay.
Whoa, whoa. Oh wait, it works.
Dude, it's like.
We can make a compilation video.
Bruh. It's going.
No,